Hello and welcome to our next innovaphone myApps tutorial. In this video, we would like to introduce our screen sharing, also referred to as application sharing. This function is part of the Phone app and the Softphone app. Use screen sharing to easily share select contents of your end device in real time with the person or people you are talking to. Others can share their screen with you. Screen sharing is available for inbound and outbound calls, as well as for virtual meetings. The shared contents are always available to all participants of the meeting or call. Hover across the window of the current call to view the various panels and toolbars. If you would like to share the screen or select contents from your end device with others, please use the control panel at the bottom of the window and click on the button Share Screen. Click on this button to select the item you would like to share. If you select the option Primary Desktop, you can share your entire screen. This option is always available. If you're using several screens, you can select the respective screen you would like to share. Should you have several applications running on your device, these will all be displayed in the selection list. You can select the individual app that is to be shared. The others will only see the contents of the app selected for screen sharing. Screen sharing can be deactivated again anytime. Depending on the browser used, the selection window may be displayed differently. However, functionality remains the same. Participants will see the shared screen contents instead of the video image of the person who is sharing the screen. Within the gallery view, you can click on the shared content to move this image to the front. Once the phone call or virtual meeting is terminated, screen sharing will stop automatically. Many thanks for watching and see you again next time.